Good morning. Today I'm going to talk about the lab I'll be performing this week. We went forward a little bit this week, but I had kids with me, so the weather wasn't the best to deal with kids and water and outside and all that stuff. So we will do better next week. So we started at Pine Creek in Holland, Michigan. Started over here before we added some more legs from the creek into it. That'll be the first one we dropped the ball in from the road, dropped it in, let it float for a while. Um, then we went down further. There's a couple more creeks that run into here, but this is our second attempt here. We tried to start over up in this area so we could get here and then after there, but this one was frozen solid all the way down until it connects into the main Pine Creek there. We were able to get balls in the water flowing and watch it flow down. We didn't get any measurements. Again, it's freezing cold out, children. So here's the map that we did, and I'll show you the videos here in a second. Here's where we started on this one. This is as smooth as it got the rest of the time trying to record. Nothing really stuck about that. Decently wide route here. Okay. Another creek joined forces with it. Um, there's that one. So here's our second ball toss. She very gently drops it in this one because her brother just almost went for a swim in here after he chucked it. Maybe I'll make a bloopers reel and you can see that. It's not amusing for me, but it may be for everyone else. So here we go. So I think that it will flow more the further down, the closer it gets to Lake Michigan. Uh, just wider, looks deeper. I would assume that the more ability for it to flow and everything flows, it's just going to flow a little bit faster. I will go and get some measurements and figure out all the mathematics and all of it this coming week when there's less children around. But I think it went okay for what we had. Easier than making it because this one was already made for us. Thanks.